No hacker has ever said, time to breach a Fortune 500, let me just open Xcode. It doesn't happen. You ever tried running Burp Suite on a MacBook Air? The fan sounds like it's mining Bitcoin and trying to take off at the same time. macOS is great for editing coffee shop B-roll, not for bypassing firewalls at 3 a.m. And yes, I know what you're thinking. But bro, didn't you already roast Windows? Absolutely. We made an entire video exposing why Windows is basically a boss fight before the actual hacking even begins. So now, it's only fair we shift our aggression to the other side
Nah, yo, Windows, to understand everything from the jump, you need to know kernel, Linux, like everything. And that's not even gonna prep you for what the fuck is to come. Like, that was a beautiful statement, dog. Like, sometimes you wonder if hacking is just a way to humble your ass, not even just a profession. It's like a human instinct where we feel like, hey, we got this. I could fuck someone and whoop, gotcha. Like it's like Palmer in real career form.
of the fruit stand. Welcome to macOS, the hacker's final boss. And if this video makes you laugh, learn, or question your life choices as a Mac user, go ahead and share it with someone who still thinks macOS is secure because it's based on Unix. Help me hack the algorithm. So let's break this myth once and for all. People assume hackers use Mac because it's more secure or it has less malware. That's like saying you should train for war in a padded room because there are fewer bullets. The reason macOS gets fewer viruses is
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. Before he says it, the reason why Mac in my eyes might be the worst situation to be a hacker or like want to use, it's so closed. You know what I mean? It's not like a open source things where like maybe tools will come to you like pancakes whenever there's an update or something. You're not sitting there in the sand waiting on a new injection or fucking thing to look to attack. Regardless of the case, I don't think Mac is the easiest to do it from. I think it's like so close secure that the minute an update comes out, it's like, why the fuck do I still have this computer? Up until you like really figure it out. But let's see what he has to say though.
because nobody's targeting it. It's like being the healthiest item in a vending machine. You win, but also, do you? Here's the truth. macOS is not built for hackers. Try running a custom payload and Gatekeeper will slap you so hard, you'll start reconsidering your career. Want to disable SIP? Hope you enjoy booting into recovery mode like it's 2007. Oh, and trying to compile tools from GitHub? That's cute, until you spend 2 hours figuring out why Homebrew broke your Python install again. And don't even try touching the kernel. Apple doesn't just lock the doors, it sets the entire hallway on fire. Real hacker workflows are dirty, fast, and need zero friction. You're SSHing into random boxes, analyzing memory dumps, building exploits from 2004 with no documentation. macOS, it just wants you to sip a matcha latte and use Final Cut Pro. The second you try to open
Nah, yeah, not that yo, that's so true on so much levels. I have an old iMac, which just it's just fucked up now, I guess. Like I tried to access the fucking drive one time, it has a whole terabyte in that motherfucker, but one time I tried to open that bitch and the computer acted like I said, fuck you. And now it just freezes every time on the opening. I'm just like, the fuck did I do? That's Mac for you, man. You never know.